Click sound is an integral element of the Xhosa language spoken in South Africa and in other South African languages, the Khoikhoi, the San, the Swana, which have got a strange, unique sound, the click sound. English doesn't have that sound. When you compare English with other African Bantu languages, you realize that English is a shallow language because it lacks very many different phonetic aspects of our indigenous languages. Why do you even think English is so important? Our languages are richer compared to English. So, how could English therefore illustrate the sound? Or they could use the word XH or Q to illustrate the click. When you listen to Xhosa songs like the famous Miriam Makeba of South Africa, you will realize or you will hear many click sound in many of our songs like the Hapo Zamani, Umkonkozo, Non-gongo. The click sound, it has so many clicks. So if you listen to maybe a song like this one, listen to the click sounds. And many more.